DogWifHat is starting to pump again, and here's what you need to know before you buy DogWifHat. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at DogWifHat, a coin that has taken the internet by storm, really crushing in the Solana space, an ecosystem and blockchain that looks like the community is really learning to love and grow. So before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button to reach your 2024 crypto goals, and like the video while you're at it as it helps out the channel tremendously. Today we're taking a look at DogWifHat, which is up nearly 7%. It was up a bit earlier, but looks like there was a bit of selling off going off in place. The community is super excited with what's going on with meme coins. We can see the altcoin, the Captain altcoin meme coins are pumping nicely with Bonk, WIF, and Pepe leading the way. We can see again 7% on the day is not too shabby with a current market cap of $3.2 billion and almost $1 billion worth of market of 24-hour volume, which is absolutely insane, making this a top 40 traded coin on CoinMarketCap. In terms of the week, we're up a whopping 30%. In terms of the month, we're at about 27%. We had a little bit of basing going on, but it looks like a correction is being made. So again, there's still some gains to be made. So for those on the sidelines who haven't bought in yet, you could still potentially load up a bag and make a profit. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But again, these dog themed tokens are they're really taking off the internet lately, especially these Solana coins as well. So today I want to make a very special mention for Dogeverse, a token that's really taking the internet by storm. It's a pre-sale token that launched roughly a month ago. It hasn't launched yet, sorry. The pre-sale went live about a month ago, and it's already raised $10.5 million. In about 15 hours, they're going to be raising the price, so buy now before the price is raised. I'm going to link this project in the description below. So why is Dogeverse so cool? It's the world's first chain traveling Doge. And not only has this have a nice white paper and an audit, but they also have a great community on X, which is very, very important for meme coins. We say they have 8.6 thousand followers. The first Doge pre-sale spanning from Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, and Base. What do I mean by that? We'll go back to the website and I'll explain in just a second. Doge goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase, and Solana. So it's a multi-chain token, which means you can buy on any of the following 6 exchanges. It is coming soon to Solana, but all the other 5 ones are currently live. Now back to their Twitter, we can see a very active and engaging community. Embrace the remnants of Cosmos explosion. Cosmos, an exceptional Doge, traverses the blockchain, dance around those 6 different ecosystems. This is absolutely insane. This is innovation at its peak. You're not going to want to miss out on. Now, it's not just a cool token because it's on 6 different chains and it's a multi-bridge token. They also got staking as well for those who want to earn passive income, and it's a dynamic range staking, meaning the APY is constantly changing. Currently it's sitting at 100%. We've seen this upwards of 600%, which is absolutely insane. You're not going to want to miss out on this puppy, but that's all we'll talk about this for now. I'm gonna link in the description below if you want to check out and grab a bag, but I'll load up while it's still at these low pre-sale prices. But back to DogWifHat. It's pumping. What's going on? Let's go ahead straight to Twitter and the source and see what's going on. We could see this was retweeted by DogWifHat an hour ago. Bloomberg reports that hedge funds are succumbing to mind-boggling returns of meme coins. Solana meme coin WIF and DogWifHat is on their radar. And then this is a source we can see from Bloomberg's website. Seen as the first cycle where funds are jumping into memes, DogWifHat rally attracts attention of crypto hedge funds. This is absolutely insane. So now the big hedge funds want to get in the mix and they want to get a piece of DogWifHat. This is absolutely massive. Everyone's saying the hat stays on, and a lot of exciting things happening for DogWifHat. Again, lots of memes, lots of community building, and that's what you really want to see in the meme coin ecosystem. In terms of the technical, guys, we can see the technicals are showing great indication as well. Where the oscillators are showing neutral, the moving average is indicating strong buys, with summary sitting at a buy. Is absolutely insane. And in terms of the week as well, oscillators are in the buy and moving averages are also in a buy as well. People are aping into this project. It's absolutely insane. We're very likely going to see DogWifHat hit that $5 mark. If we see crazy pumps and crazy influx of cash, maybe even higher than that, we're going to see $10, $15. Hey, I don't know, it's a price prediction. So always do your own research and due diligence. In terms of news, again, it's being covered everywhere. There's a lot of great things happening for DogWifHat, even on Google News. Meme Coin Mania, referring to DogWifHat surge. DogWifHat skyrockets over 25%. Solana meme coins bull run begin. Bonk Pep DogWifHat nearly 40% gains. Looks like everybody wants to talk about DogWifHat. And guys, I've been saying this from the start. this is going to be one of the biggest bull runs we've yet to witness. In terms of the meme coins coming back, guys, this is even better than last bull run. Remember, DogWifHat launched at the beginning, very beginning of the bull market. Some may even say at the end of the bear market, and it's literally took over the space. Now, if it continues this momentum, we're going to see some crazy things happen for DogWifHat. This could be just the start. Remember when Shiba Inu was just getting its buzz? This is what I feel like is happening with DogWifHat, and you're not going to want to miss out. But why is the price skyrocketing over 25%? Here's why. Solana meme coin DogWifHat price rallies over 20% after multiple breakouts with potential to exceed a rally to $4.20 in the next few days. DogWifHat multiple breakouts. Solana-based meme coin DogWifHat skyrockets 25% in the last 24 hours, with the price hitting a 24-hour high of $3.55 on April 24th. WIF has witnessed an upsurge after multiple breakouts on Wednesday. Analysts has even pointed out a possible breakout a day before. So again, very bullish indications in the patterns, guys. Again, the analysts are marking the charts up, and we see exciting things ahead for DogWifHat. Their prediction is DogWifHat to hit $4.20 in just a couple of days, and that would be solid gains, especially for those who got in early. And again, remember, talk about those who got in early. Same thing goes with Dogeverse. Again, the people who are going to get into pre-sale early are going to reap the most rewards. If you want the latest and greatest crypto news, this is a channel to subscribe to. So what are you doing? If you haven't smashed that subscribe button down below, that pretty much wraps up the video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, I will see you on the next one. It's your boy Umar. Remember, not financial advice. Peace.